What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today, well, it was supposed to be yesterday. I was supposed to get my Jay's Fenders, and what ended up happening was I was at work and I figured, oh, they'll probably come deliver it when I get out of work and when I'm home. Well, that wasn't the case. So basically what happened was they went ahead, they tried to deliver it yesterday. Nobody was home. So they basically told me to reschedule it, which is for today between 11 and 3. So I'll be waiting home, not really going out. But yeah, also just to let you guys know, I do have merch. Right now I only have these FD slaps. So if you guys want to support the channel, I know a lot of people have been asking me lately, how do I support the channel? Just have these stickers, but I will be trying to get t-shirts probably soon, somewhere within the next couple months. I'm trying to find a couple companies that will try and work with me, and I do have some designs as well. So support the channel, and yeah, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, well, as you can see behind me, we got the Jay's Racing Fenders. Super excited.
I'm very excited, very excited.
I've been waiting, let's see, a little over 3 months right now for these Fenders. Box looks in good condition except for this little gash right here, which is no big issue, but man, I'm super excited. My heart's racing right now. Art of Attack, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Made it to my house safe and sound. Another piece to this whole puzzle. So I'm gonna sit you guys down. Go ahead and unbox it. We're gonna unbox it together. And yeah. Alright guys, well, I have the Fenders laid out on the floor. There are a couple scratches which I'm not really too concerned about. I was mainly concerned about for the Fenders that they are not damaged or bent or anything like that. So they look pretty good for the most part. So pretty happy with that. So yes, I know what you're thinking. They're a little beat up, which is fine, understandable. I'm sure it was probably due to, you know, them packing it and everything like that. But man, these look super aggressive. I'm gonna try to see if I can get these painted within the next couple of weeks, and the bumper as well. Let me know what you guys think of the fenders. They also came with these mesh pieces here, which I think I'll end up spraying black since they actually go behind here. Let me flip this around for you guys. So they actually sit in here. So you just fasten them, I guess, with the tabs or whatever. So yeah, really excited. I want to fit these on the car, so that'll probably be the next video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the fenders. I really love the design of it. I'll go ahead and post a picture up on the screen so you can see what they look like, paint matched and everything. If you guys want to follow my build, follow me at Vicwavy. I'll post it on the screen down here so you guys can check out the build, the whole progress. If you guys like the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel to see more. Man, I can't wait to throw these on the car. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. You guys thought I forgot? Nope. So the word of the day for today is comparison is the thief of joy. Say that again. Comparison is the thief of joy, which basically translates to anytime you're putting energy into comparing yourself with other people, it takes away your happiness. You're too busy thinking about what other people are doing, so you want to emulate that, and at the same time, you're taking away that joy, that happiness that pretty much started everything to begin with. So my advice is to stop comparing yourself to other people. Just do you, stick to your own guns, just be original, be you. And yeah, everything will be a lot better. Stop comparing yourself. All right, I'm going. Peace.